How to create your first Android app from Android phone. Step 1. Download the app called CodeAsisst. You will find the download link in description. After downloading, open the app. If it is first time, it will take some time to open. Otherwise, it will open quite fast. Then click on this plus icon. There are total 2 options, Android X project or empty project. For advanced users, these are actually different, but for beginners, Android X will just look a little more beautiful, but empty project will compile a lot faster. So I will choose empty project for now. Give it any name and package name. Choose your language, Java or Kotlin. And choose minimum SDK. Once again, if it is your first time, it will take time for downloading libraries. But if you have already created a project, next time it will create projects faster, like it created for me. Most of time we will be working here src/main, which consists of 3 parts: Android manifest, Java files and resources. If you go to activity-main.xml, click on 3 dots menu, preview layout, you will be able to see a preview of your layout, and click on text view, then select Android text property. You will be able to change the text from hello world to anything. Let's change it to hello YouTube. If you are having any problems like it is not implementing the change, you can click on folder icon and select refresh module. Okay, now finally at the play icon, we have 3 options: build release APK, build debug APK and build AAB. For now, I will select build release APK. After compiling, I will install the app. So hello world is now ready. Now let's change the font color. For that, go to here and add this line: Android : text color is equal quote #00ff00 quote and close it. So 00ff00 will change font color to green and ff0000 will change font color to red. So that was how to create your first Android app in under 4 minutes. Hit the like button for my effort. See you soon.